Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Cordless half-inch high-performance hammer drill driver. Challenge it with any heavy-duty job you have and watch it deliver. Engineered for high performance, the rugged Milwaukee 4-pole frameless motor delivers over 650 inch-pounds of torque. A durable all-metal gearbox means this hammer drill will deliver years of heavy-duty performance. The M18 XE high-capacity lithium-ion battery delivers efficient power, longer runtime, and longer battery life. The convenient LED light lets you see into dark corners. For superior power and durability, choose the Milwaukee M18 Cordless half-inch high-performance hammer drill driver. Powered by lithium-ion, protected by DPM.